it's given for, you know, with the YouTube world, we're here. We're hearing up, honey. We're here. To my channel. It is me, Essie. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. And if you're new here, I would really appreciate if you would stay. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. So we're just going to jump right into it. Today's video is about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April. In this video, we're going to go ahead and try out all of the products, give like a little review on them, see if we can create a look. Let's see what we got. All right, so if you're not familiar with the Ipsy bag, what it is, it's a personalized makeup subscription. This bag, I believe, runs $12 a month. You get 5 trial size products that I'm going to go over. And in the Glam Bag Plus, I believe this bag is $28. And in this bag, you get 5 items that are full size. But enough talking, let me go ahead and get into what's in this bag. So first item up is by Wonder Beauty, and this is their Volume and Curl Mascara. All right, next up we have, let's see, this is Glow Recipes Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. All right, and then next up we have a Carmella Silk Matte Lipstick. That's a pretty nude color. And then we have the Instabay 3-minute hair mask. You know, I won't be using this today. This is the only thing about my Ipsy. I may have to go in and update it, but sometimes I'll get stuff for hair. And I mean, I can't, not that I can't use it, because I definitely still use it on, you know, my wigs, but I just feel like when I'm doing videos and reviews, it's not something that is easy to do. Does that make sense? After cleansing with shampoo, remove excess water, evenly apply to clean wet hair. Y'all, I'm not doing that. I'm not getting on camera if I wet this wig on camera. It's not gonna happen.
Not gonna happen! No, not gonna happen!
So let's check out what's in the Glam Bag Plus. So here we have a blush palette by Misco. Ooh. Yeah, I'm about to be butchering names again. See what this looks like. Ooh, this is really cute. So here are the swatches from the blush palette. These are so buttery. Like, what I love when I did my swatches is when I ran my finger across the back of my hand, it didn't skip. And that just lets me know that this on the cheek is gonna blend so well and be so pretty. I'm so excited to use this. All right, and then next up we have this Hip liquid liner. Let's see. It's liquid and Khol. Oh, okay, so it's two-sided. The liquid could stand to be a little darker for me. I'm not too crazy about, but this Khol though, the Khol side is like, I can't wait to try it. So we have a butter, okay, tea tree and aloe mask scrub. Ooh, spa moment here. Listen, let me tell you something. Ipsy definitely comes through when it comes to just touching every area of the face. Like, I feel like you're gonna get skincare, you're gonna get hair, you're gonna get makeup, you're gonna get gloss. Like, they always touch every part of the face, which I like. You can't beat it. We have another, oh, this is a body cream. How you say this? Let's see. This smells good. And then we have House Laboratories. It's called Blaze, and it's their Lee Riot Gloss. Ooh, look at the packaging on this. How cute is that? I'm so in love. I haven't even tried it yet. This is definitely going in my bag every day. Like, I love the way this feels. I cannot wait to try this. And then last but not least, we have some brushes from Farah. I think it's how you pronounce it. Oh, look how pretty. Look at the come on, Ipsy. Look at the detail. We love that. And we love this. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and start the tutorial. I might need to put a time check for people like that. Just some people want to know about the product, some people just want to see it being used. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of both. We're just testing out the space, seeing what you guys like. If you have any opinions about how you would have liked this video to be conducted, I am more than open to feedback. So go ahead and leave that in the comment section below. And yeah, let's get started. All right, so first up is going to be the Tea Tree and Aloe Scrub Mask. Oh, I don't know why. I don't know why in my mind this was going to be like charcoal, like dark. I don't know, maybe it was the packaging that made me think so. Oh, this smells really nice. Wow, it feels really good, really cool. Sensation here.
Sensational.
I may or may not leave the directions on the screen. But basically I'm supposed to apply and let it sit for like 3 to 5 minutes. So I'll be back. Alright, so now we're going to use the Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops. I love this because I've been wanting to try Glow Recipe products for a while now. But I feel like I just get so much skincare and PR that it's kind of hard for me to like break out and go buy skincare when I'm looking at mountains of skincare that I've yet to use. First of all, this smells really, really good. So this feels really, really nice, really, really lightweight. There's no tingling, and it literally smells like watermelon. It smells amazing. So there's that. Ooh, it's giving glow. All right, so the next few items are makeup items. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my base and I'll be right back. Go ahead and use the Khol. I'm not sure if this is like waterline safe. Like I said, I do wish the liner was a little bit darker, but we'll live. I'll go ahead and complete the other. I'll be right back. All right, guys, now we're going to test out the Wander Beauty Mascara. I love this little brush here, because it just cups around my lashes really nice, like that nice bend in the lash. I'm sorry, in the lash brush, like really, really nicely. Y'all, I just stopped wearing lash extensions, and it's just, getting used to seeing yourself without lash extensions is something different, I'm telling you. I'm still getting used to it. Like, even when I look at like my pictures or like videos or anything, especially when I'm editing, I'm always like, oh my God.
Is that me?
Who is that? Lash extensions will have you so spoiled, because it's nothing like waking up and going to sleep and being a baddie both times, okay? Now, because I'm extra, I'm gonna go ahead and pop on some lashes and then I'll be back. All right, I went ahead and popped on my lashes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go into this beautiful blush palette. Excuse this, I got it a little wet when I was washing my face. But there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and go into maybe this pink tone and maybe this. So this one's called Misto, and then this one's Ijama. I wonder if this is a Nigerian brand. I don't know. These names look kind of cultural. Do It's Right blush palette. Oh, this is pretty. Y'all see that? Okay. All right, so now we are ready for the lips. Very, very pretty. I believe this brand, it's Kamala or Camella, and I did a look sometime last month because in my last Ipsy package, I got the palette. So now this is the lipstick. She's pretty. So now we have House of Laboratories lip gloss, and this is in the shade Blaze. Look at this brush. So the brush has like a little curve to it, which like looks like it curves really nicely around the lips. She thick. That's what he said. Ooh, this is so spring ready. Last but not least, our body creme. We're just gonna lotion our hands. We ain't going, I might pull a shoulder out. So this is what the cream looks like. I don't know if I showed you guys that. We're just gonna put some on the hand here. This is the body, yes. We're gonna accept this as the body. Ooh, that smells really nice. All right, y'all know I had to curl my hair. You know, your girl had to get herself together. Put on a cute little top here. This is from Fashion Nova. And I'm just, it's given for, you know, with the YouTube world, we're here. We're hearing up, honey. We're here. But anywho, the Ipsy bag did me right. It did not disappoint. I think the only thing, I'm not gonna lie, the only thing out of the bag that I was not crazy about was the liner. I didn't really care for how the consistency of the actual liquid. I just felt like it wasn't dark enough for me, and then it also dried really quickly on me. So like it gets really sticky, and if you have to go over it, it just, I don't know, it just wasn't given. But everything else was bomb. I'm not like, I want to be so transparent with you guys on this channel. Like I want to make sure that I'm not just on here loving everything. Oh, I love, oh, I love, oh, I love. There are a lot of things that I love, yes. But there are things sometimes that I'm just not crazy about. So I just want to be completely transparent when I talk about anything on my channel. So as far as the glam bag this month, I'll take 1 out of 5 items. I'll take 1 out of 5 items not liking it. You're probably not going to like this month. Great bag. This is definitely a great bag because I've used 10 items and, well, 9 because I didn't do the hair mask, but I used 9 items, and out of 9 items there was just 1. So for the month of April, I definitely think that this is a great bag if you're wanting to try any of these items. I know that these are available, but the thing is with Ipsy, you get to go ahead and pick what would be best for you. So when you start with your bag, you go online, you take a quick quiz, and what they'll end up doing is just pulling things that will be more personalized to you. So what you see in my Ipsy bag was what Ipsy thought I would love. So when you go ahead and take your test, they're gonna send you things that you would love. So if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If there's anything else that you would like to see or any suggestions on the type of video in terms of the Ipsy bag, go ahead and leave those comments in below. And if you just overall just was here for your girl, go ahead and leave a comment down below. I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Talk to you later.